Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, April the 20th. Tomorrow it will be 21st on Sunday. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and this one. Yes, you are interested in this one. Binary puzzle number 8399. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, come on. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, come on. Between the ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one, double one. Here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Well, then between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one. Here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Come on. Double one. Here no, there no. Well. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Well. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the second column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So I cannot place the 1 there. This should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then I know between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Okay, a double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. No. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Oh, okay. Let me think. I need to compare. I think. I need to compare 1, 2, 3, 4. If we place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Finished. 6 minutes. In 6 minutes, we solve it again. And I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for this evening, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.